Hey guys, Vision here. So we have this 2014 Dodge Journey all-wheel drive, and we're going to change the transmission. I previously did another video with removing the engine and transmission from a 2013 model. They're exactly the same, but this time we're going to do it differently because we're using that transmission that we removed from the other model, and we're going to install it into this one, just so we can get this one going. Obviously a lot of things are going to be not taken off, compared to the other video, but basically, in a nutshell, what this is gonna include, what I need to remove from this is the CV axles on both sides, the transfer case at the back, and all the 15s that are around the transmission housing, torque converter, yada yada. Okay, so the only Hey guys, so like I said, up here, just remove, the airbox. Harnesses are up here. The two transmission lines, just use a pick and take out the little lock that's in there. The shaft cable, what else? And the bolts for the transmission mount that's at the back. And this washer reservoir, you can take it out. This box, all this. So just pretty much make space up here. Not rocket science, so you can do it. So let's go down there. So down here, you got 18mm bolts, 16, and you got 4 16s down there to remove the cross member right here. Also on the, you got the bolt that's holding the motor / transmission mount on this side. Then so there it is. I left the transfer case in its place. Okay, I just took off these 2 number 10s at the bottom, 2 15s up top, and left the bracket also up there, for the motor, well, transmission mount. As you can see, the flex plate is broken, so we're also going to replace that. And so it does come out the same way as the front wheel drive transmission, but a lot harder because of this, this shaft that has to come out. So when I'm gonna to put this back, to make it easier for me, which I also should have done, was remove this shaft, which is the shaft that's at the back of this, and it's being held by 3 number 16s. So that's how I'm gonna put this transmission back, which I did forget to remove this one, but it's no big deal. It still comes out. You're just gonna have struggle a little more, as you saw in the video. But this 2 inches or so, if I had removed it, it would have been much easier. But that's what I am gonna do, putting it back together. remove it, and then just deal with the transfer case gears. So yeah, that's hey guys, so this is the all-wheel drive transmission for the Dodge Journey that we're working on right now. It also applies for the Dodge Grand Caravan and the Chrysler Town and Country, and I think some other models that uses the same type of transmission, the 6.2 TE all-wheel drive transmission. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding the transfer case, 2 15s and 2 number 10s, I believe. You got 15mm bolts around the transmission, and you got 4 number 18s holding the torque converter. You got 3 sensors plus the main harness connector that goes on the TCM, and you got 2 18mm holding the transmission mount and 2 transmission lines. Okay, that's all that's connected to the transmission. To remove it in place, you need to leave the transfer case where it's at. Okay, just to avoid a lot more work. You're gonna remove these 3 bolts that are connecting the bracket to the transmission. Remove those and loosen and remove also the bolts connecting the transfer case to the transmission. Okay, and you're gonna remove the transmission without the bracket. Okay, lower the engine at an angle, and then you should be able to slide out the transmission, okay, towards the driver's side. Okay, that's pretty much it. So yeah, all right guys.